Hey loves, back with another video showing you how I make my lasagna. You're going to start out with ground beef and ground Jimmy Dean sausage. You're going to season that, fry it up, and drain it. Okay, next you're going to go in and you're going to add in your spaghetti sauce of your choice. I chose Classico for cheese. Okay, once you get that poured onto your meat, you're going to mix that together. And voila, you have a basic meat sauce. You can use this for spaghetti. All spaghetti and lasagna is they're cousins. They're cousins, okay? All right. So next, you're moving on to your lasagna. You're going to get that to boiling, okay? So go ahead and boil your lasagna. Make sure the water's hot so your noodles don't stick. All right. Now my meat sauce is cooking good. Okay? We're about to get the show on the roll. All right. Next, once your noodles are done, you're going to drain the water. And then once you drain the water, you're going to add some cool water to keep them from sticking. Because they will stick even though they're done. But if they're too hot, they're going to stick together. So use some cold water so they don't stick together. All right, get your area together. Get your sauce. Get your noodles. And get your pan. Once you have your pan ready, you're going to spray that with a nonstick coating. And you're going to begin to add in your lasagna noodles. But when I add my lasagna noodles, I like to go ahead and layer it with mozzarella first. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit that with my meat sauce. Okay? Once you get your meat sauce on there, you're going to make sure you spread it out even. And then next, you're going to go back and you're going to layer that with some more mozzarella cheese. Lots of mozzarella cheese. More mozzarella cheese. And then you're going to repeat that step. Okay, more lasagna noodles. All right, more mozzarella. Then you're going to go back and you're going to heat it with your meat sauce. You're going to make sure you add more mozzarella. Okay, once you get your mozzarella on there the way that you want it, preferably a lot, you're going to go ahead and get your foil. But this part here, y'all, this part here, do not put your oven on broil. Because if you put it on broil, set it and forget it, this is what's going to happen. Don't do it, okay?